Hello students, now in the previous video we have seen theory of cash book. That is, there are three types of cash book: simple columnar, two columnar and three columnar cash book. So let's start with the simple columnar cash book sum. First of all, we see that only one illustration, that is illustration number 1. First of all, we read the sum, that prepare simple cash book from the following transactions of Rajesh Bhai for February 2015. First of all, we prepare specimen of simple columnar cash book. T formatted specimen we have to prepare in the date, receipt, voucher number LF, amount, date, payment, voucher number LF and amount. Here receipt number comes, not the voucher number. There is a printing mistake is given. Now let's start with the first transaction, that cash on hand rupees 5,000. Cash on hand always comes on the cash book debit side as February 1 to balance BF. Balance BF is read as balance brought forward and in the amount column 5,000. Right? Okay. Now next February 3, goods of rupees 3,000 sold to Geeta for cash. So entry would be cash account debit to sales account credit. Now how we record this journal entry into the cash book? Cash account debit, first effect, that is cash account debit. So this is our cash account debit side, right on February 3. Then debits reverse, that we call as credit side. Debits reverse is considered as credit side. So credit side sales is given. So here we write down reverse accounts name, that is to sales account and in the amount column 3,000. अमाउंट हम कैश अकाउंट डेबिट लिख रहे, तो कैश अकाउंट में जितनी भी अमाउंट है हम वही सेम अमाउंट हम इधर अमाउंट में लिखेंगे इन द अमाउंट कॉलम. राइट, सो रिमेंबर दिस, वी रिकॉर्ड अमाउंट for what we are posting the account. So cash account debit we are posting, so we record 3,000 in the amount column. Then the next is goods of rupees 2,000 purchased from Amit for cash. So journal entry is purchase account debit to cash account credit 2,000. Now cash account credit side is given. This is cash book, so we just look at the cash, bank and discount effect. We do not look at the other effect, other accounts. So we look at the to cash account credit. So cash account credit side is given. So cash book credit side, February 5. Cash reverse name, that is purchase. So by purchase account and in the amount column 2,000. This process is also called as posting process. There is another new another chapter which is given in your textbook, that is called as ledger posting. So this process is called as posting. Now the next transaction, that is cash of rupees 5,000 brought in the business, such as more funds are required in the business. So for that entry is cash account debit 5,000 to capital account credit 5,000. Cash account debit side we have to see, because here we have not prepared capital account. We have prepared only cash account. Cash book simply means cash account only. So cash account debit side. So see the debit side. Debit side, write down the date, February 7. This reverse side, that is capital account. So write down capital account and amount 5,000. Right, amount हम cash account के ही लिखेंगे because we are recording effect of the cash account. Then the next transaction is furniture of rupees 4,000 purchased from Ganesh Furniture Mart for cash. So entry would be furniture account debit to cash account credit. Now cash account is given on credit side. So cash book credit side, February 10, reverse name by furniture account and amount 4,000. Right? Now its previous transaction is left out, so insurance premium 800 paid. Entry is insurance premium account debit to cash account credit 800. Cash account credit side is given. So we pass this effect on credit side of cash book. So see, February 9 reverse name, this cash book का भी reverse name, that is insurance premium, reverse side. So insurance premium account debit 800. Next transaction is rupees 1500 received towards commission and 1200 received towards brokerage. So first of all we pass entry, cash account debit to commission to brokerage. Now cash account debit side is given. So we record this on debit side, right, as February 12. Cash account debit 1500 to commission account credit 1500. Brokerage we have paid, not received. Right, so that is by mistake I have written. So for the paid we write down brokerage account debit to cash account credit. This journal entry we pass cash account debit to commission, brokerage to cash. So how we pass effect in cash book? First of all we take this cash account debit side. Cash account debit side February 12 reverse name commission account and amount 1500. Now we pass effect for this brokerage account debit to cash. Cash account given on credit side. So credit side February 12 reverse name brokerage account 1200. Right? So this is how written. Next 14th one, that is 3000 received from Mahesh towards receivable. Entry would be first of all cash account debit to Mahesh account credit 3000. Cash account debit is given. So cash account debit side February 14 reverse name to Mahesh account 3000. इसमें reverse name क्या है? महेश. Next salary 1000 and freight 200 paid. So salary account debit, freight account debit to cash account credit. To cash account credit is given, so we record these on credit side. So February 16 by freight account 200 and say on same side by salary account 1000. Why I have written separately? Because here different amount is given. Salary 1000, freight 200. Two different amounts are given, so we have to record this separately. And salary account is also different and freight account is also different. So we have to record this differently. Next 20th transaction, machinery purchase for the business 2000. Now see, our entry is machinery account debit to cash account credit. To cash account credit, so we record this on credit side, reverse name by machinery account and amount 2000. Next 18th one, 3000 paid to Prakruti towards an old accounts. First of all we write down journal entry Prakruti account debit to cash account credit 3000. To cash account credit, so we record this on credit side, cash account credit side. See, that is February 18 reverse name by Prakruti account. It's ka reverse, so it becomes Prakruti, right? It's reverse side, so that is Prakruti. So Prakruti account 3000. Now the next is next transaction number 23. As more funds are required in the business, 10,000 borrowed as a loan bearing 10% rate of interest from Ramesh Bhai. First of all, journal entry is cash account debit to Ramesh Bhai loan account credit 10,000. Cash account debit side. So cash account debit side 23 February reverse name to Ramesh Bhai 10% loan account 10,000. Right? Now the next. Cash purchase 7,000. Entry purchase account debit to cash account credit to cash account credit. So cash book credit side reverse name by purchase account 7,000. The next is 3,000 deposited in Prime Cooperative Bank. Entry is Prime Cooperative Bank account debit to cash account credit. To cash account credit is given. So cash book credits are reverse name by Prime Cooperative Bank account. So all the transactions we have recorded in cash book. Now the main part, that is totaling. First of all, always make total of both the side. Always make total of both the side. Now see, this side total comes 2750. Now see, debit total comes 27500 and credit side total comes 24200. That is credit total. So that means there is a difference of 3300. If we less debit total from credit total, we get 3300 difference. So here difference arises. So that difference write down in the last line, that 3300, and write down that as balance CF. Balance CF is read as balance carried down. That 3300 is recorded on credit side as by balance C/F. C/F is read as carry forward. Now date, which date we write down? Last transactions date that you write down over here, that 28 by balance CF, right? So this is how we make totaling for the T formatted account. Now this 3300 next day, that is March 1st, write down that as to balance BF. Balance BF, that means balance brought forward. The same amount write down 3300. Write down that below the total. Now why below the total? Because our next month, that is March month, we starts from 3300, and that we record all that transaction we record now in this next cash book format. So this is February's cash book, and then below that March cash book that we record. So this is how we solve simple columnar cash book. Process of posting and transferring journal into the cash book, process of totaling, all remains same for all the sums, right? Only amount column will increase or decrease in the sum. समझ में आया? So write down this illustration 1 in your notebook. Solve this again. Practice this by yourself, because this is very important chapter. So see you in the next video.